Hello all, welcome back to the channel. Today, let us see about some go-to tools in Microsoft Word to make your writing faster, easier and in a better way. Come, let's go into the video. So the first tool we are going to see is Quillboard. So in case you are new to Quillboard, Quillboard is an AI powered writing tool that helps you paraphrase, check grammar and improve clarity in seconds. So it is available inside Word. Usually you have to go to web and install Quillboard, but it's available as an add-in feature within Word itself. To install it, you have to get into add-ins, search for Quillboard here. Here's the Quillboard. So as I have already installed, the Quillboard is available here. So the first feature you can use in Quillboard is grammar checker. It will give all the grammar correction suggestions here. Once you click on it, you can either accept the correction or you can ignore that. So see here, ignore, it gets ignored. If you accept, it gets corrected there. So this is how the Quillboard grammar checker works. The next is paraphraser. So to use paraphraser, you have to select a particular sentence that you want to get paraphrased. Click on paraphrase selection and after that it will give the suggestion for paraphrasing. You can either rephrase it and insert it or you can ignore the suggestion. So the next tool we are going to see is editor. So this Microsoft editor checks spelling, grammar, clarity, conciseness and even tone. So it is a grammarly like feature but it is inbuilt within Word. So to find editor, you have to go to home and there you can see this feature editor. So click on it. It will pop up in the right side panel. So see here, this editor will give you a score like 74% or 75% and show suggestions under it. What you have to correct like formal writing or professional writing. What are the spellings you have to correct under this? And what are the grammar corrections you can do? It will suggest you all the refinements you can do in a particular document. So see here, it suggests for clarity. So you can either accept the suggestion or you can ignore the suggestion. This is about the editor feature within Word. So some other inbuilt feature in Word that are available within the add-ins option inside Word are Ghostwriter and Autopilot. These two are same like ChatGPT. You can search for Ghostwriter. You can ask anything about the style, tone, whatever suggestions you want, you can ask in this Ghostwriter. In the Autopilot is also the same way like you're talking to ChatGPT or you can connect with any other AIs other than ChatGPT like Gemini. So these features are available in Word as well as in PowerPoint. Next we can discuss about some of the shortcuts that can be used in Word. The first shortcut that we are going to talk about is Control plus Alt plus 1. So this Control plus Alt plus 1 can convert a particular sentence that you are selecting into a heading. Come, let's see how it works. So I'm going to select this sentence and after that you click on Control plus Alt plus 1. See here, this sentence got automatically converted into a heading. The next shortcut is Control plus Alt plus space. So with this Control plus Alt plus space, you can make a particular content in the document get dictated by itself. So see, I am placing a cursor here and after that click on Control plus Alt plus space.
In the era of evidence based medicine, clear and accurate communication of scientific data is critical. Medical writing bridges the gap between complex research findings and its practical applications in healthcare. It involves preparing scientific documents that communicate clinical and scientific information effectively to varied audiences, including regulators, healthcare professionals, and the general public.
So you can stop dictating by clicking on stop and after that you can make it play.
One.
So this is the feature within Word. So these are about some of the tools and tricks in Word. We are coming up with formatting tricks in Word in part 2 of this session. Until then, stay tuned to the channel. Please subscribe our channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss it. Thank you.